Hello dear students. Now next kingdom, that is the fungi, we can say fungi. Now this is the figure of fungi in front of you. There is one activity also is given. Take a bread or a piece of bhakri or chapati. Just keep this piece in a humid place for 2-3 days. After 2-3 days, take a sample on its surface, keep it on a microscopic slide and observe under microscope. You will see the fungus growing on this surface. This fungus having a filamentous body. You will see in this diagram. Yes, these are non-green organisms. Why non-green? Because they do not have chlorophyll. They can't prepare their own food with the help of photosynthesis. That's why they are non-green. They are eukaryotes. Now, prokaryote or eukaryote? Now they are eukaryote. Eukaryote means their nucleus is surrounded by membrane. Yes. So nuclear membrane is there around the nucleus. That's why they are eukaryotes. Heterotrophic in nature. Heterotrophic means they depends on other organism for food. They can't prepare their food. They do not have chlorophyll. So the first characteristics are non-green, eukaryotes, heterotrophs. Second, most of the fungi, they are saprotrophs. Saprotrophs means what? Saprotrophs means they are depending on dead and decaying matter. Dead or decaying organisms body they are eating. They are growing there. That's why they are saprotrophs. Third characteristics. Some fungi, they are thread-like. Yes, you will see thread-like. Some fungi thread-like. Many nuclei present in their cytoplasm and they are heterotrophic in nature. You will see the diagram of fungi. You will see that the root-like structure, they are called rhizoids. So these are the rhizoids. These are the rhizoids, root-like structure. Yes. And on the filamentous body, the base, that is called hyphae. On the strand on which it gets support, that is called hyphae. And at the top there is a bag-like structure. This bag-like structure, that is called sporangium. So this is the sporangium. Inside the sporangium there are spores. So these are the spores. What will happen when these fungi remain in a moist place for few time? Then what will happen? This bag-like structure or sporangium burst, and spores are coming. So these spores are coming out, and these spores again germinate into new fungus. Yes. So there is a reproduction. So the main characteristics of fungi are non-green, eukaryotic, heterotrophic in nature. Most of fungi are saprotrophs. They are depending on dead and decaying matter. Some fungi are thread-like and many nuclei present in their cytoplasm. So you can watch the video of how fungi are there and you can clear the concept about the kingdom fungi. So please listen this video and you understand how fungi are there.
Fungi belong to a kingdom of life all their own, distinct from animals, plants, and bacteria. More than 70,000 species have been described, but there are estimated to be more than 1.5 million on Earth. All large fungi, called macrofungi, are composed of distinctive branching tissues called hyphae, and their cell walls contain chitin, not the cellulose found in plants. Mushrooms are the fruiting bodies of many macrofungi. Within their gills are millions of tiny reproductive cells, or spores, that are easily dispersed by the wind. When spores find suitable habitat, they germinate and slender hyphae emerge. Absorbing nutrients and moisture directly from their surroundings, the hyphae grow into a larger colony, called a mycelium. Huge networks of mycelia permeate soil, leaf litter, and decaying wood. Mushrooms and other macrofungi make up only part of the fungal community of the forest. A diversity of microfungi, including molds, rusts, and yeasts, thrive on or within every substrate in the forest. Like larger fungi, they have chitinous cell walls, and most have structures formed from hyphae. A few, like yeasts, live as single cells.
Now you understand how the fungi are there. So the characteristics are what? Non-green eukaryote heterotrophs. Most of fungi are saprotic. They are depending on dead and decayed matters. Some fungi are thread-like, many nuclei present in their cytoplasm. What are the examples of fungi? Baker's yeast. बेकरी में जो ईस्ट पाउडर इस्तेमाल करते हैं, दिस इज अ टाइप ऑफ फंगाई. सो बेकर ईस्ट. एस्पिरिजिलस इज अ टाइप ऑफ फंजाई. एंड यू नो मशरूम, भूछत्र अपन जिसको बोलते हैं मशरूम, दैट इज अ टाइप ऑफ fungi. So these are the various characteristics of kingdom fungi. Please watch this video again and again and write the points in your notebook. You can clear the concept of fungi.